A pressure cooker is something that we all have grown up with, but we have hardly seen any kind of change in them. Well, let's change that. Hi guys, I'm Varun and I would like to introduce you to the best pressure cooker there is, which is the Maya pressure cooker. Now this pressure cooker is really special. Watch this video till the end to see what I mean. The main USP of this product that makes it so different from others is that this particular cooker cooks without any sound or whistles. The whole process is more professional and time-based instead of being whistle-based. For your convenience, a list of the cook times of almost all basic daily use ingredients including vegetables, meats and pulses is provided with this product. The overall construction is very strong, made from Japanese nickel-free stainless steel. The push buttons on the top make the operation very easy and one-handed. The edges are rolled for extra durability and safety. Handles are heat resistant with ample hand room. Filler markings are provided for precise measurements, ensuring the same result each time. It is compatible with any kind of cooktop. All you have to do is start with high heat till the safety valve rises and then lower the heat to maintain the pressure inside. Release the steam with a touch, the safety valve drops and you are done. This pressure cooker will be the perfect addition to your kitchen.